हाय, गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट ह्या चॅनल पळयतल्यांक तुमकां सगल्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार. Woohoo! Alright, as Joyvan is all set, let's have the camera rolling. In today's interview, we feature all the MCs who are a part of song Yetele Porot Ami, whose mastermind is Joyvan Fernandez. Joyvan deserves no introduction, but recently has been a fame of his well-acclaimed song Tuna Tor. So also, his Channel 8 highlights many of happening songs, so is this one. First time in history, 20 MCs coming together for a song. Joyvan deserves a pat on his back for his efforts. Watch them speak.
The amazing thing about the whole thing is that Joyvan has been able to get 20 people from a field which is not his. He's an amazing photographer, videographer, and a filmmaker. We are all compares, so we do the talking, we don't do the singing as much. No doubt, amongst us compares, there are some who have very good voices, but there are others like me who can't sing even in the bathroom.
Okay.
He's got us all together, and I'm sure he's going to do an amazing job. So this is the first time in history that we're going to be singing. I hope it goes well.
न्यूटन हे नाव म्हणत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमचो कोंकणी फिल्डांतलो लोक आहा तो एकदम वळखतलो एंड ही इज अ फेम ऑफ पाद्री फिल्म इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन रायट सो हो कॉन्सेप्ट तुका कसो लागला आनी कशें चल्लां तुजें शूटिंग
म्हाका दिसता पयलीं सुद्दां हें लॉकडावन जालें तेन्ना आमी सगळे अकस्मात बेकार पडले सो इट वॉज लायक सडनली वी वर चोक्ड वी हॅड ऑल दॅट एनर्जी युजींग इट टू द बेस्ट पूण सडनली अशें जालें की लॉकडावन जालें आनी वी वर जस्ट लॉस्ट नॉट डुईंग एनीथींग सो हे आमकां एक भाग कशें मेवलें जॉयवनान आमकां कॉल केलें सांगलें की अशें आपलो जो एक प्रोग्राम आसा आनी वी वॉन्ट that everybody should come together. And I think I really love this concept of getting all the MCs together, especially 20 of them. Okay, it's a big number, and I think it's been a record that for the first time, 20 people have been brought to on the frame by Joyvan. Okay, and Joyvan Midler, I think he's a man who's known to come out with a lot of things just out of the box.
And yeah, there is somebody who tweets every time on FB, the very talented. Today you are singing, but let me ask you something. Are you a singer?
Well, I am a singer, but moreover it's a bathroom singer. That's what I am. But of course I've been singing in college as well. But this is the first time I have an opportunity that to sing in our mother tongue, Konkani, and that too with the best team in Goa, the MCs. So that makes it very special for me to take off on a platform with all the MCs of Goa.
Okay.
And I'm very proud to be part of this wonderful team.
Okay. Do you miss the hall since you are shooting today? This is the day of your shooting of the song, and Old Heritage is one name that mostly weddings take place over here. So, are you missing the hall? Are you looking at the stage?
Well, actually, the very fact when I walked into this beautiful hall, it brought back a lot of memories, very nostalgic. Moreover, because before the lockdown, we were doing so many weddings, and I think one of my last weddings was in this very hall. And I was looking forward to the next season, but it so happened that the lockdown came about, and we never knew when we would get back to business. And for us as MCs, we were very worried that this lockdown would take a longer time for us, and that definitely, now these days weddings do not take place, on a grand scale, and it's more of small weddings, small crowds. So that was one setback for us, and to get back on track, it was very difficult initially. But I can say, as time passed, we've been pulling along. Yes, I am doing weddings these days, but of course on a smaller scale. But we as MCs are definitely coming back as one, united together to rock the wedding scenes in Goa. We will come back soon. Let's rock on.
Yeah.
Well, I've not take the part of singing, but in music I was very good. In fact, listening pleasure. Okay, and the music what I used to like was mostly all country, because nowadays the music what the bands and all play, it's not my choice. So as far as singing is concerned, no. But I had sang for a band, okay, where my son was playing, and maybe it was on 4 or 5 occasions. That's all.
Okay. As जशें परी तुका एक संदी मेवली like Joyvin has featured some of the 20 the Goa's topmost MCs and तितूंतलो तूं एक, so तुका कशें दिसलें जावं कांतारा कोत्ता जावं these MC बराबर?
Well, I would not say I'm on the professional side, because all MCs are all professionals. Okay, you have to learn from different MCs,
Right.
and actually, as I'm become a compare, I've learned through mistakes. Okay, and it is through mistakes I think one comes up, and
Yeah.
that's the same advice I've given Joyvin, and I was very happy because even Joyvin at the start. He had made some mistakes. Okay, so I was always telling him, you have to learn through mistakes, and that's how I feel Joyvin is definitely rising up as a very, very bright star.
So people do
So-
learn from mistakes.
That's right. I would feel people learn from mistakes, and also I feel even MCs should know about it. Am I right?
Right.
Well, I'm singing one line and then I'm singing the chorus with the rest of the MCs.
Okay, so how is the feeling?
Well, I've been singing quite often, but the only place I sing normally is the bathroom in my house.
All right.
And actually, there also when I sing, if my family hears it, they tell me to shut up. So actually, this is the first time I'm actually singing, and I'm quite excited about it.
Very decent, but definitely not full of energy. I guess I can say, can I ask you like whether you do gymming or something, you go for gym or something like that?
No, not exactly.
Not exactly.
Yeah, you're just
so how come
deceived.
you're so fit and fine?
Genes, it's genetic.
Alright, okay, that's none other than Cedric we have for you over here. So have you sung before?
Yeah, a bit here and there. I love rapping, but if you talk about singing, well, that's not my forte. This is the first time that I actually sang. I do sing here and there, but not for an audience. But this is, for the record, the very first time that I'm singing. Yes.
So how is the feeling?
I'm actually, I was very nervous, to be very honest. Rapping on the stage is totally different, you know, you're with the flow, but singing is a totally different ballgame altogether, I would say.
Since this has been pandemic and tumka ek like break पडलो जायतो मिले तुम्ही song ना. So what do you do at home? Are you
That's a very interesting question, actually. To be very honest, during the entire pandemic, I've realized that I could use most of my times to cook. You know, I'm married. I've got a wife and 2 kids.
Oh my
and
God.
Yes. And I just got my hands at cooking at home. So I prepare a whole lot of things now, all by myself. So I think that's the way I utilize most of my time during the pandemic.
Since you said now that you're married, I think most of the girls may be upset on you. So do you regret on it? No.
There's no need to be upset. It's just that it's hard luck if at all you have other intentions. That I'm
All right.
Hats off to Joyvin for coming up with this. Joyvin himself is a very humble, modest person, individual, and he's very accommodative also. We really, all the MCs are very happy and thankful, filled with a lot of gratitude for Joyvin for coming up with this amazing idea. It's like a platform for all of us to be together. Nobody thought about this. This is like the very first time. So yeah, we think Joyvin, with the character that he is, happy, accommodative, and highly talented as well. And the thought was seeded into his brains and he's put it into reality. Hats off to him.
Alright, another mood setter who has set moods of various audience in action, and that too for various weddings. Frazier, who is also like a traveling MC that I can always say because he travels a lot. So let me ask you, where have you traveled in this field? Like?
Well, to a lot of places actually within India and abroad as well. I've been to Mysore, I've been to Surat, I've been to Bangalore, to Delhi, to Dubai, Doha, so quite a lot of places.
Okay.
Well, I can only say thank you to Joyvin. He's done a fantastic job of bringing us all together, especially with me because I'm traveling most of the time. He called me a couple of months back and he said, I want you to be a part of my song. I said, well, I cannot speak Konkani so well, leave alone singing. He said, leave that bit to me. I just want you to say yes. I said yes. and I think he just put it all together for all of us. So Joyvan, if there's one word I can use to describe what he's put together and what he's done, it would be supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Google that word.
Yes, right. All right.
And Joyvan likes this one. Joyvan, hasta la vista.
Well, I'll Google it out. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Joyvan, who really took the trouble of getting all the MCs together. It's really a tough job, and this is the first time in the history, I believe, that all the 20 MCs of Goa are coming together. I really thank him on behalf of all the MC for taking such a good step, and it's a great feeling. I feel like, and this is the first time, like, I think most of the MCs are singing together and facing the studio. When we went for recording, it was a different kind of feeling. Apart from comparing and talking, facing the audience, singing I thought was a tough job. But after facing this, I think I should also be one of the singing MCs. Probably I can take a step forward and probably I ask the band to give me a chance to at least sing one song, at least for one set during the last set. Yeah, that's very great about Joyvan.
And that would be great hearing MCs singing for the last set.
Yes. In fact, some of my friends are really doing that. I can name a few, like, who really love to sing the last set. I mean, one or two songs.
Okay. If I ask you, which is the song in Konkani that is favorite of yours, like from Ancient, like which song would you suggest?
Definitely, it will be Morbailo Do from the movie Amchanuship.
Okay.
That is my favorite song, and I believe all my MC friends, fraternity, will definitely agree with me.
They say there's a happiness quote called mingle, go single. And I'm very happy that Joyvan has managed to mingle us together, even though there was a lockdown, for a good purpose. And that is to bring our colleagues, that is all MCs together. So it's a very great feeling to come together and singing. I used to sing, but not much. But this singing along with everybody made me happy, because at least we MCs met for the very first time. I've never got this experience before. And it was a great feeling. Sometimes we don't even know the MCs, but today we were so happy. So thanks to Joyvan, and you mingled us. So that was the great part of the whole thing.
The most spontaneous.
I call it a historic moment. 20 MC coming together on one platform. Historic.
Okay. Tell me something like जायते पावटी तुम्ही जाव काजारांक ओकेजनाक MC आसता जायते केल्या तुवें आसतली कितली केल्या आसतली त्यो उगडास आसतलो
25 वर्सांक सुमार 1500-2000 काजार.
Okay. Any one moment that you remember till now, जावं तुजे अजून मोतीले वचना ते आनी अजूनय फिट आहा कितें हे उगडास येता हुंचो एक moment, any priceless moment?
The end moment, it was we were actually getting the couple organized for the last keys. We had tied the couple with balloons. It was a rope up balloon which had helium inside it. And then we were supposed to break those balloons and the couple was supposed to kiss. I was very close to the camera, so was the cameraman, the bride and the groom right there. And there was a gentleman who walked up and he lit the balloons. I'm sure he didn't know what was inside the balloon. So the helium caught fire at one shot and the gown of the bride, the suit of the groom was burned. Not to be forgotten.
Okay. या कांतारान तुवें कितें अनुभवला व्हॉट डू यू लायक कितें रियलायज केला तुवें कांतारान कांतार म्हणटा आसतना
इश्टागूत सोयरीगूत आनीक जायते जाण बरोबर एकठांय जाले आनी एकठांय जाले फॉर अ कॉज.
If I ask you which will be your toughest moment, is it singing on stage, is it entertaining the audience or singing?
I think there's nothing tough in it. I think it's really because it is not tough. That's what I do. Singing, I think I don't sing that well, but I'm very confident of singing, so it doesn't matter whether it's good or bad, as long as you're okay with doing it. And sometimes even if you're bad, it can still help putting a smile on people's face. So I think it's really good.
Okay, so how many weddings have you anchored till now, hosted till now?
I'm feeling that it's I'm really bad at keeping account of it. I should have kept account so that I could have given you an easier answer right now. But quite a few. I'm really glad that people still call me to do their weddings, so I must be doing something right.
It feels good to be back, and this is a great feeling to be together with my friends and colleagues from the industry.
Okay, so when is the releasing date of the song?
I guess so. It's on the 8th of this month.
So are you all excited?
Oh yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Alright. Okay. Zori, to Ravin tuka vichale, like, who is your favorite singer from the Konkani movie, like Konkani Amche Theatra, so whatever? Who will be your favorite?
Well, I would say M. Boyer. Well, Joyvin, thank you very much. This is a great initiative that you've put together for all of us, and I wish you all the very best. Let's hope that we all do well, and we all have a beautiful future.
And this is what happens when there are two hosts on the sets.
Thank you for tuning in to Go On Music Vibrant. Now, Candida is asking all the MCs questions, but this is what we do best. Ask the questions and reply is always given by the other side. So, Candida,
Yes.
how come you've decided to have all the MCs, the big talkers, on our show?
Oh my God, this is a question. Yes, stop for laughing. Alright. The thing I have decided to come up with this thing is Joyvin gave me a call and he told me like Ami Porat Yetele Katara's review kurpa. So that's what I also had a
Have
chance.
you ever thought of being an MC yourself?
I am already an MC.
See, there you go. So you're asking everybody questions. So
But still, you all are more professional than me. I'm professional in the
Hardly.
field, on the TV. Alright.
before I present this back to you, so
Thank you
shoot,
so much.
what are your questions to us,
Yeah,
Candida?
shoot. Okay, tell me your name first.
My name, for the last 45 years, high expectation, has been Jeffrey so far.
Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much for interviewing me.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Alright. So what was the feeling? Jenna, because Jenna Gomle, the 20 MCs and you Kantar Mutele. So what did you feel?
Well, you want to run this law because I've never ever sung in public.
Mhm.
I have spoken a lot,
Mhm.
but singing was never my forte. So yes, it was quite a big apprehension whether should I do this or should I not. But the very fact that he chose me to be part of it, I felt flattered. Yeah.
Have you been a singer before? Have you sung?
Never.
Never.
Never to save my life.
Mhm.
Singing, no. If you throw me in a pool to save somebody, I would save them because I can swim, but I can't sing. Literally.
Okay. Now let's be serious regarding this
I've been
pandemic.
serious all the while.
The pandemic. Okay. Because that has hit you all badly. And zaite amche MCs, as amka pong meona, even weddings, people miss them. So what do you miss? Like Gashipuri, this environment, it's like full of wedding style. So can Ugada Sailo?
So today it brings back a lot of memories. So the last 8 months, it's been saddening because we are in a whole career where we entertain people. We bring joy to people's lives. So the last 8 months, and again, it's our bread and butter as well.
Mm-hmm.
So while it's taken a hit on our pocket, yes, we feel for, so ours is a minuscule part, I say, where the whole circle of life, where the entertainment industry is concerned. Because people's livelihood, they say, well, and he brings a small suitcase with his mic and go, but the whole entertainment industry has been gone through major crisis. But today, when we come back here, I think it brings nothing but hope and positivity.
Mm-hmm.
So I thank Joyvin, and when we have this fraternity of MCs, it just gives us a reason to feel happy because what we've lost in the 8 months, I think there's hope that when we all come together. So fingers crossed, I think the future looks bright on us.
Mm-hmm.
And blessings to all those people who've invested so much of, like, we are MCs, we have a mic, that's our investment, but sound, light, decor,
Right.
we have caterers, the venue owners, they're losing money in lakhs, which we should feel for them. In a way, today when we've come together, we also fraternize with the people who, don't have this opportunity to kind of give back. Let's hope things are better, Candida. What do you do, Candida, when you're not MC?
I am always
Actually, you have a face for TV, so TV should be a good career for you.
I'm already a TV host.
I have predicted what you do here.
I've been a host for
Are you a single woman?
No, I'm already married.
I thought you could book me for an MC. Or
It's always a crush.
Babies happen?
Babies, I've got 2.
There also business is gone. First Holy Communion done?
No.
Call us for First Holy Communion.
No problem.
See how desperate we are now. We need business. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you so much. And in all this, we have a smiling MC as well, whose moustaches has never been as big as his smile. another mood setter who has set moods for various of the occasion, various evening. Jenna to eka like kasarak asta, then khorenis ek vegas feeling asta. The feeling is much more brighter and brighter. Jenna to even zantyang poita like zanti pasun nachpak lagta. That's what Xavier is talking about. And we have with us our MC, the master of ceremonies, Xavier. I'm sure environment je tu padela mahadista tu ka ugda sailo asolo wedding moment. You have gone back to the flashlights, have you?
Yes. Definitely. I've come during the pandemic in the last month and did 2 weddings here indoors, and it felt so good to be back. Comparing for these functions.
Okay. But tell me something, Joshipuri, tu ek hoili crowd odun getalo. Did you ever feel like a pandemic and kaza roshi disle duga? Did you feel that it was a wedding because of the face mask and all that?
Once the face mask, people walked in, it looked different because we couldn't see their smiling faces, we couldn't see the happiness in them. But once they were inside the venue, everything changed. There was more camaraderie. Everybody was friendly. They forgot that there was a pandemic, but we tried to remember to keep social distance, especially the bridal couple. We requested them, keep your distance, see that you all don't kiss the bride on her cheeks or anything. And I mean, people did listen to us when we provided that.
All right. One thing that your wife is always after you and she doesn't like, what do you do? Come on.
I'm stuck on this. The freedom I have with my wife is she never objects to anything.
All right. Okay.
Even if I come late, she's not bothered. She knows that I will be back with her.
Okay. Okay. Tell me the one wedding that has always set a mark in your in your mindset and that you have never forgotten.
It was an old-time wedding, you know. I'm actually an old-timer. I started in 1980. So in those days, the weddings used to take place, you know, they used to start at 8 o'clock in the night and go until 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And the way, what I can remember and what I cherish about those weddings was, you know, the participation of the entire crowd. When the music starts, nobody used to remain seated. Everybody used to come on the dance floor. And even the services were done by everybody, all the youngsters, you know, used to help in the service. Everybody used to participate in almost everything that used to happen. And that passion is missing today. And that's what I can say about it.
It's been how many years that you have been in this field?
I started in 1980, so it's 40 years now.
40 years?
40 years now.
So much more experience.
I must say I'm one of the lucky guys, and I have to thank Joyvin for giving me this opportunity. And I thoroughly enjoyed being part of this project. You know, in fact, to tell you the fact, we 20 MCs have never come together for any reason, but this has been our opportunity to come together and to interact, and it's been a fantastic experience.
We have another master of ceremonies with me over here, and his name is quite interesting. Damien is the name, but he goes with the name MC DC. All right. So we have with us MC DC. You have been one such guy, like who I can say youngest among these.
Looks can be deceiving.
Yeah.
Looks can be deceiving.
So it's been how many years you are in this field?
It's not been very long actually. I've been in the field from 2015. So as to say, yeah. So from 2015, just about less than 5 years.
But do you
this year's not counted. So yeah, 4 years.
So do you believe you've set a mark?
I hope so. I really hope so. I think only the people can tell that. But I think yes, I worked hard enough to try and make a mark. And that's what I'm doing.
Since you started your career at a very young age, let me ask you, like, is it difficult for you to sing, or is it difficult for you to be an MC?
Wow, now that's a difficult question. But I'd say MCing just sometimes it comes, and it started off because I had to change jobs, and I said let's just give it a try, and it worked. Singing, I've always been singing actually, but never on stage, never in front of anybody. Always been a bathroom singer, so as to say.
Okay, which is the one song that you sing always in your bathroom?
Knocking on Heaven's Door.
Right.
And some of the dream MCs to be? Yes, he is.
All right, another mood setter, and he has been the favorite of all the teenagers, of all the girls especially, because he is one fame that we get to see often. So I have with me Savio Roy today. Don't get nervous. All right, okay, because and kind of you're my favorite too. All right. So how is the feeling? How it has been? How is the shoot?
It's super exciting. Basically, see, I started my career with singing way back in 98. So I've been part of a couple of bands in Goa. So as a singer of a band then, and after 20 years, that's 2 decades, it's been quite interesting because I've done studios. I've done in 2001, 2003. I've done an entire album. But this was like, I thought that I would never again walk in the studio.
Okay.
That was a decision taken full and final. I said, never again I'll go to that studio. But then circumstances, I could not say no to Joyvin because he's one guy who has, given us a platform for MCs of Goa to come together. Because I'll tell you something, whether it is controversial or not, I made a statement a few days back that I see some video clips that are coming from some prominent videographers all over Goa. And in those 3-minute clippings, the MCs are excluded. There is a wedding car, there is a wedding centerpiece, there is everything around. There is a deco, there is a cake, there are people dancing, there are line dances, there are band clippings, there is no MC. Sometimes you see an MC a passing shot in that, and I question these so-called videographers. I said, why are you not doing it? Some prominent guys. I said, without the MC. Then some of them said, yes, we regret that, and they have introduced that particular thing of an MC in a clip. The 3-minute clip what I'm talking about. And Joyvin was one guy whom I spoke to, and I thought for a while that, okay, this guy is getting the MCs together. And it's a fantastic feeling. So I said, there should not be any reason for me to say that I'm not coming back, or I'm not going back to the studio. So that's the reason I said, okay, let's go there. Do it again.
Okay. So Zaiti to a weddings host, but one song there has to be that has been your favorite, like from this wedding series. Do you recognize?
That's one thing I don't. That's one thing I don't keep favorites. Believe me, for last 20 years, no song is my favorite. No venue is my favorite.
Okay.
For me, that particular day and that particular moment is favorite. Because for me, a wedding for me is a new day for working. It's a new experience. I don't know. I forget the previous one, and I have to forget the previous one. There cannot be a hangover whatsoever of the previous wedding coming into the next wedding. And I believe in that firmly.
Okay.
I don't give the same introduction as I'm talking to you. So there is nothing called favorite for me. Everything is important.
In terms of Joyvin, all credit goes to him. कित्याक आमी केन्ना चिंतूंक ना आमी अशें video shoot आनी that whatever studio केन्ना चोवंक ना. It was a very good experience, a different experience also. And we really enjoyed every part of it because they made us so comfortable, because otherwise we used to some different job, and this was something out of the line, but still we enjoyed, and still I will say all credit goes to Joyvin.
Alright. Okay. As पहिली केन्ना तुवें कतरा म्हटलेली हो कितें?
I used to play for band. Frontline band I used to play for band. And I used to sing, not sing croak but somehow we did the same thing here. And Joyvin and Baban Tori Korun amto voice more sweet Korun Bayer Ganda.
All right, we have with us another MC, a master of ceremonies, Elvis. I can still give you all his definition. He is the brother of our keyboardist, James Vaz. Okay, that's about, we have Elvis with us, and a brother-in-law of Jessica Gomes, all right?
येतेले परत आमी आणि जॉयविना बरोबर काम करपाक एक सोयीक मेळ्ळो आणि दुसरे एमसी बारा काम मेळ्ळे एक बाग आमकां आम सारकें टेन्शन आसलें ड्युरींग पॅन्डेमीक जॉयविन त्या नांवाचेरूच आमकां एक जॉय मेळ्ळो आमच्या काळजांत आमच्या मनाक शांती आयली आणि विन जरी तर तुवें एड केलें जाल्यारूय वर्किंग एज अ टीम वी वर विनर्स बिकॉज टुगेदर एवरीवन अचीव्स मोर सो हे आम सगळे एकठांय जायन आमकां हो एक केन्ना सोयीक मेळना सो ताका लागून आमी जॉयविनान आनी एमसींग सगळ्यांक चडांत चड ते बरें करता ऑडियन्सांक एक मुगे मॅसेज म्हळ्यार आमी सांगता जरी तर एकठांय जावन काम केलें जाल्यार आमकां यश मेळटा सक्सेस मेळटा सो टेन्शन म्हणटा तें घेवप ना जेजूक आमच्या मोदें दवरून वी कॅन मेक वंडर्स आनी येतले परत आमी म्हणजे लायक आमी येताय तुमकां पोतून ही खुशालकाय हाडपाक सो हे येतले परत आमी एकांतराचेरूच तुका चडान सांगो सोदना आयकात आनी एन्जॉय करा.
And there comes the man who set all the MCs to mingle. There he is. The cinematographer, the photographer, the film producer, director, actor, and now a singer. The one name which always sets a mark, Joyvin Fernandez. And 20 MCs all across Goa to Vichun Kadle. Was it difficult for you to get the MCs?
The thought was very difficult, like how to think barabar adpa ek platform ache. But when the idea share kelne not a single MC said no. So they were like more excited.
Taka music kone dila jam kantar kone burela what?
Yeah, lyrics burela Ellie Gauzen.
Releasing date any particular you thought?
8th of December.
8th. Okay, it's feast I guess.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so for a moment when ek vichun gadla ek song release korpa. So how was the like तुमची शूटिंग कशें जालें आयज बिकॉज आयज दीस इज द डे ऑफ द शूटिंग आनी जायते तुवें हें सेट केलां तें एनवायरमेंट वेडिंग आनी मागीर आमचे एमसीजा तेंची उगडास आयलो आसली बिकॉज आफ्टर अ बीग ब्रेक दे हॅव कम अप इन ओवर हियर लायक कशें दिसलें तांकां
जेन्ना ते कांतार रेडी जाले तेन्ना तो टीम आहलो तो वेडिंग दिसा आहलो सो वेडिंग हॉल क्रिएट करपाक म्हाका तें परत डेकोरेशन क्रिएट करून पडलें आनी सेकंडली या फील ओके आहलो तेंगे बरें आहलो तितून म्हणजे जस्ट आयडिया आनी म्युजीक तेगेलें लिरिक बट द लेटर हाफ तो जालो तो तेंका लागून सगळे एमसी लागून
ओके कित्याक लागून चिंतलें तुवें एमसींग घेवन कांतार करतलो म्हूण बिकॉज दिस इज नेवर हॅपन
ना बिकॉज हांव वेडिंग्स हांव ऑलमोस्ट लायक 14 to 15 years हांव तेंगे इम्पोर्टन्स जाणा वेडिंगाचें कितून तें बट नाव हांवें थोडीशी वेडिंग कोविडान केलें तो फील येना म्हाका बिकॉज ऑफ द एमसी बिकॉज तेंगे तो पार्टिसिपेशन आसतालो वेडिंगान तो ते क्रिएट करताले न्हू तें आतां उणेंपण दिसता सो थिंग आयडिया येयली म्हाका कितें करपा म्हणटा
ओके ओके स्विचिंग ओवर टू वन ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन डोंट गेट अफ्रेड ओके जायते तुवें एमसी विचून काडला दुबावना बट ऑल आर जेंट्स वेर आर द फिमेल्स एनी आयडिया फॉर देम
वी आर प्लॅनिंग फॉर अ part 2 so हिट जालें म्हणटच थिंग सगळी फिमेल आसता
ऑलराइट ओके Joyvin has a lots to share and lots to come up and my channel late पोवचे पडटले because many things are coming up from Joyvin side and another thing you're also coming up with a movie or something like that so aji tayari कशो चल्ला because it's one after the other so how are you like organized
yeah story was ready movie name is Tara we are starting from next week okay yeah and Brijesh is the main lead
what do you have to say for the audience who are watching
subscribe my channel like my songs and just wait for more exciting songs from them
any songs of you which is coming up because केन्नाच कांतार म्हणना हलो बट तू ना तुज्या कांतारान मातसो आनी कांतारा जायती आतां येतली so any upcoming
on 11th we are releasing one more song of mine it's almost like same vibe how tu na to happened okay it's called the big name Pune Karja Koshe Sojno it's a romantic track so we are releasing on 11th
so you're doing a romantic part
no I'm just singing
right thank you so much Joyvin दोनूच तुवें आमकां सांगली आनी तुजो मोलादीक वेळ आमच्या चॅनला खातीर भेटलो म्हूण काळजान तान देव बरें करूं and we thank you also for giving us this opportunity to cover this whole show of yours thank you so much
thank you very much thank you
Well, those were just some of the MCs, each one with a different accent and a different style. You have just heard them talking very energetically. Imagine how well will they sing in a different style. So guys, stay tuned for Yetele Porot Ami only on Channel 8.
कॉर्नर्स करपा ना जॉयविन तो ए ताळे माराय रे सगळे जॉयविन अरे भाई बोणी तू हनी बोंदी एलवी सिंग दे उसो एलवी सामर ये एलवी ना सॉन्ग बोरे जीवित सुखी